solo as well or what?
No, it's full team. The Pathfinder was also on the rock, like far behind Densey. He also had a cribble.
Ah, lovely. I just got 210 headshot. You're one shot in the back. Very lovely.
Did you try the coffee? Yeah. Okay. Nice, isn't it? Starts in an hour. Coco, Anand, Sandy, hello.
You know, they're always looking around, but they never look up. They're lost.
Yuki 永远的关键枪。
The mysteries of space. Solved a few of them, and there's one more to go.
Introducing your champion. You know what I look like. Come find me.
Where are you taking us, wives? Where are you kidnapping us?
I'm kidnapping you to Hot Zone.
Hot zone.
Let's go.
With like 4 other teams.
4 other teams?
Yeah, go left side. Go inside the hole.
Oh, shit.
Go through the fucking cannon hole.
Cannon hole.
2
There's a
teams.
team landing here. The 3 people.
Wait.
No, they're landing super split.
Careful, a team might be in front of us. I'm gonna wing.
If they come here, they die. So they should not have anything if they come here. Peter Hemlock. Oh, purple armor. What up, Peter?
Dude, we're more stacked in here than
The
whole
fuck?
lightning rod.
Yeah, I just need attachments. Walk out.
There's a car here.
I need that. Nobody pings the car, man.
Also here.
Standard stock here. Hop up here. Hammer point.
I'm going to get some KP.